and you pull your machine up, and you see the tail is moving to the left or to the right, it indicates that eye gain needs to be adjusted. And the eye gain, the integrator, is the slow movement or compensation of the tail. So it's turning clockwise when it's moving in that same direction. It's doing too much because it should, when it's doing less, it should turn opposite of the rotor direction. So in that case, you should lower it, the eye gain, and see what it does then. When you release input and it stops and it starts, and it could also be a D problem, not just gain, but the D gain. You have to adjust that as well. You give input, being release it, and it's bouncing. We should it should stop early, and the movement immediately and hold it. But then when it's doing this, it could be too high, and you have to lower it as well. Yeah, you have to play a little.